All right, traders, let's get right into learning a little bit more about the sonic trading system. We can see here a few signals on the chart, 2 short signals and now 1 long signal. Now if you follow the signals, you can see the latest one, 56.29, has that green horizontal line. That's the profit target, and just below that is also the stop, that red line right there. So each entry has a corresponding target and a corresponding stop. Many times traders forget about this idea when the market is strong or it's volatile. The targets and the stops need to be adjusted accordingly. The same thing when the market is slow, the stops and the targets are also adjustable. So with the sonic system, this is adaptable. Because we see the volatility based on the ATR, the targets are automatically using that specific ATR, the average true range, at the moment to say the target should be 2 points or 8 ticks or 10 ticks or 20 ticks, whatever it happens to be at the time. And so the targets are very specifically linked to the current market conditions. A lot of traders fail to think about that or remember that. They all want the same target and the same stop, but it really shouldn't be that way. It should be dynamic, and we should be versatile under different conditions. Now I have the target and I have the stop, and I can adjust these at any time. So if I wanted to move the target to where that green line is, where it's telling me 56.32, that's where the target should be based on the current conditions. And the same thing with the stop. Now if you look back at the previous signal, it was a short 26.75, and that signal to go short had a different target and a different stop. And so this is all dynamic and based on the current conditions at the time. Now the current trade, you could see, has another shaded box telling you that there's another entry, 56.2975. So I'm going to keep my target where it is. Again, it's based on the current conditions, but you can adjust the targets and the stops. And so my target is hit. I'm out of the trade. We should follow the signals as closely as possible. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel here. We're trying to say there's a signal, there's a target based on the market movement, there's a stop as well that we're going to use, there's a filter, so those dotted lines that you see there is a filter, and everything is laid out before you. The sonic trading system is available for NinjaTrader and for TradingView. If you have any questions, if you're a member at DayTradeToWin.com, join us in the live training room. We have every day a trading room where we could show you how the sonic trading system works, the results, and see if this is the right fit for you. Until next time, good trading.